Good evening, celestial wanderers and quiet seekers of the stars. Imagine a lone comet from the depths of another star system, slicing through our solar neighborhood like a whispered secret from the cosmos. Now, picture scientists peering into its shadowy veil, uncovering not one, but two enigmatic forms dancing in the dark. A discovery that blurs the line between worlds. Tonight, we embark on a serene, hour-long voyage into this interstellar mystery, blending the allure of space with whispers of artificial minds, robotic explorers, and our own blue marble's gentle spin. Let these soothing revelations ease your thoughts, guiding you toward dreams as vast as the void itself. If this tranquil exploration stirs your wonder and lulls you to rest, tap that subscribe button now. Drop a like to light our path, and hit the bell for nightly journeys into the unknown. Together, we're building a haven for curious souls. Your engagement makes it shine brighter. Breathe deep, let go, and allow the stars to unfold. Drift with me now into the quiet cradle of interstellar space, where silence reigns supreme, and every faint glow tells a tale older than time. High above, beyond the familiar dance of planets, a visitor arrives, not from our sun's warm embrace, but from the cold fringes of another stellar hearth. This is the essence of 3I Atlas, the third interstellar comet to grace our solar system, a frozen relic hurled across the galactic sea by some ancient cosmic nudge. Feel the weightlessness as we hover near its path, the subtle pull of gravity like a soft lullaby urging us onward. In the hush of the night sky, telescopes turn their unblinking eyes skyward, capturing flickers that hint at origins far removed from our own. Envision the moment of discovery. A streak against the velvet black, first glimpsed by the Atlas telescopes, in Hawaii, their lenses sweeping the heavens in rhythmic vigil. The light bends not in the gentle curve of a solar orbit, but in a bold, hyperbolic arc, a signature of an outsider unbound by our star's grasp. This wanderer, its icy heart wrapped in dust and vapor, carries the scent of distant atmospheres, molecules forged in the nurseries of alien suns. As it draws nearer, the sun's distant fire kisses its surface, coaxing forth plumes that unfurl like ethereal scarves in the solar wind. These are the coma and tail, blooming in slow motion, a nebula of gas and grit that scatters sunlight into hues of blue and gold. Relax into this spectacle, your breath sinking with the comet's unhurried glide, each particle a messenger whispering of worlds unseen. Yet in this ballet of light and shadow, something extraordinary stirs. Deep within the comet's silhouette, where the tail stretches like a fading dream, astronomers detect an anomaly, a second form, elusive and intimate, trailing in the penumbra of the first. It's as if 3I Atlas casts not one shadow, but two, intertwined in a delicate cosmic dance. This companion object, perhaps smaller or merely a fragment born of the same stellar exile, evades easy capture. Its presence is inferred from subtle dips in brightness, from the way starlight refracts through the gaseous veil, creating ghostly flickers in the data. Scientists, in their quiet observatories perched on earthly peaks, pore over spectra that pulse with unfamiliar rhythms, piecing together this puzzle with the patience of stargazers since antiquity. Let your mind soften as we linger here, the mystery unfolding like a gentle wave lapping at the shores of consciousness. The comet's primary nucleus, estimated at a few kilometers across, is a rugged conglomerate of ice and rock, its surface scarred by eons of cosmic radiation. Its companion, the second object, is less defined, perhaps a kilometer or two in size, its outline blurred by the parent's radiant coma. Observations from telescopes, like the Very Large Telescope in Chile, reveal subtle perturbations in the light curve. Moments when the secondary form occults background stars, creating brief winks in the cosmic tapestry. These occultations, like whispers in the dark, suggest a body that either orbits the primary or follows closely in its wake, tethered by a shared journey. The data, serene in its complexity, flows in streams of photons, each spectrum a brushstroke painting the portrait of an interstellar traveler and its shadowed kin. Picture the comet's tail, a diaphanous veil stretching millions of kilometers, sculpted by the solar wind's gentle push. Within this luminous cascade, the second object's influence manifests as a faint ripple, a secondary stream of dust or gas that intertwines with the primary's outpouring. Spectrographs capture this interplay, revealing compositions rich in water vapor, carbon dioxide, and traces of cyanide. Molecules common to comets yet flavored with an interstellar twist. The shadow's chemistry, though similar, diverges subtly, perhaps enriched with heavier isotopes or organic compounds forged in a distant star's embrace. These differences, like notes in a quiet melody, hint at a birthplace far from our solar system, perhaps within the dense core of the Milky Way, where stars crowd and cast their progeny into the void. As 3IU Atlas approaches its closest point to the Sun, its perihelion, the solar heat intensifies, stirring the ices within both objects. The primary comet awakens with a burst of activity, its tail flaring brighter as volatiles sublimate into glowing clouds. The second object, though fainter, echoes this revival, its own emissions contributing to the coma's layered glow. This dual outgassing creates a mesmerizing interplay, like two voices harmonizing in a cosmic duet. Scientists track this spectacle with instruments like ALMA, the Atacama Large Millimeter Array, which probes the sub-millimeter wavelengths to map the distribution of dust and gas. The data suggests a binary system or a fragmented pair, their paths intertwined yet distinct, a serene reminder of the universe's penchant for multiplicity. Let your thoughts drift with this image. Two wanderers, born in the same stellar crucible, now traversing our skies in quiet companionship. Their journey, spanning light years, speaks of resilience and solitude, yet also of connection. The second object's shadow, far from a mere curiosity, enriches the narrative, suggesting that even in the vast emptiness, no traveler is truly alone. Ground-based observatories, from Mauna Kea to the Andes, collaborate in a global vigil, their data streams converging to refine our understanding. Amateur astronomers, too, contribute, their backyard telescopes capturing the comet's glow, feeding a collective effort that mirrors the pair's unity. The comet's hyperbolic path ensures it will not linger. After its solar flyby, it will depart, returning to the interstellar void. Yet its shadowed companion offers a fleeting gift, a glimpse into the diversity of cosmic travelers. As we contemplate this, let the calm of the unknown wash over you. The universe, in its infinite depth, doesn't demand answers tonight. It invites us to rest in its mysteries, to let the shadows guide us into dreams. The dual forms, primary and shadow, move in harmony, their light and darkness a lullaby for the soul. Breathe deeply, letting the comet's serene passage carry you toward slumber, where the stars themselves seem to whisper goodnight. This discovery, announced in recent studies, like those published in Nature Astronomy, underscores the power of modern astronomy to unveil the hidden. The second object's detection, achieved through meticulous analysis of light curves and spectral anomalies, reminds us that even in the brightest glow, shadows hold secrets. As 3i Atlas continues its journey, its dual nature becomes a metaphor for duality in our own lives, light and shadow, known and unknown, dancing together in quiet balance. Let this balance soothe you. The comet's path a gentle arc toward rest. Its shadowed companion a reminder that even in mystery, there is beauty to cradle your dreams. Ease now into the subtle currents of memory carried on solar winds, where the tale of 3i Atlas becomes a luminous bridge to epochs and realms beyond our own. Picture yourself adrift in the cosmic sea, the comet's glowing trail stretching before you like a river of stardust. Its faint shimmer a whisper from alien skies. This interstellar voyager, with its shadowed companion, unfurls a narrative written in ionized plumes, each particle a syllable from a forgotten stellar tongue. As you settle deeper into this tranquil scene, let the soft hum of the universe guide your thoughts. The comet's passage a gentle rhythm lulling you toward rest. The tale of 3i Atlas, a diaphanous cascade millions of kilometers long, dances in the solar wind, sculpted into arcs of plasma and dust by the sun's relentless breath. Within this glowing veil, the second object's presence ripples like a hidden melody, its subtle influence altering the flow of emissions. Scientists, with their instruments attuned to these faint harmonies, capture the tale's secrets, using spectrographs that dissect light into rainbows of revelation. From observatories nestled in the Andes to orbiting telescopes free of Earth's atmospheric haze, the data arrives in serene waves, painting a portrait of a comet and its elusive shadow born far beyond our solar neighborhood. The primary comet's outgassing, driven by solar heat, releases a torrent of water vapor, carbon dioxide, and exotic molecules like cyanide and atomic nickel, elements forged in the crucibles of distant stars. These emissions, glowing in ultraviolet and infrared, form a coma that envelops both objects, a shared halo that blurs their boundaries. Yet, within this luminous shroud, the second object asserts its own voice, its emissions subtly distinct. Spectroscopic analysis, conducted with tools like the Hubble Space Telescope's Cosmic Origins spectrograph, reveals variations in isotopic ratios, deuterium slightly elevated, carbon-12 less dominant, hinting at a formation environment unlike our own solar systems. These differences, like echoes of an alien dialect, suggest a birthplace in a denser stellar cluster, perhaps near the Milky Way's core, where stars jostle and scatter their icy progeny. As you breathe slowly, imagine the tale's evolution, a slow unfurling of vapor and dust that stretches further with each passing day. The second object, whether a fragment or a bound companion, contributes its own material to this cosmic stream, creating interference patterns in the coma's glow. These patterns, detected through polarimetric imaging, reveal swirls of polarized light like ripples on a still pond, where the companion's outgassing intertwines with the primary's. The effect is mesmerizing, a visual lullaby of light and shadow that invites your mind to soften, to release the day's tensions and drift with the comet's unhurried grace. The detection of this second object relies on the delicate art of photometry, where astronomers measure minute changes in brightness as the comet pair passes before distant stars. These occultations, brief eclipses of starlight, reveal the companion's size, perhaps a kilometer across, and its position, trailing or orbiting the primary at a distance of mere thousands of kilometers. Data from the Pan-STARRS survey, with its wide-field cameras, confirms these transits, each dip in light a clue to the shadow's form. The companion's emissions, though fainter, add complexity to the tale's structure, creating a bifurcated flow that astronomers map with millimeter-wave telescopes like ALMA. This dual tale, one dominant and one subtle, mirrors the interplay of dreams and waking thoughts, a serene duality that soothes the soul. Consider the journey that brought this pair to our skies. Ejected from their home system by gravitational slingshots, perhaps a close encounter with a rogue planet or a stellar flyby, they traverse the interstellar medium for millions, perhaps billions, of years. The galactic void, sparse yet abrasive, sculpted their surfaces with cosmic rays, etching them with radiation's patient script. Their arrival in our system, detected in 2025 by the Atlas Network, marks a rare visitation, only the third such interstellar traveler after Oumuamua and Borisov. The second object's presence, inferred from spectral anomalies and light curve perturbations, elevates this encounter to a cosmic mystery, its shadow a testament to the universe's layered complexity. As 3I Atlas nears its perihelion, the solar wind intensifies, stretching the tail into a luminous banner that spans the sky. The second object, caught in this radiant wake, may be orbiting its larger kin, their mutual gravity creating a delicate dance. Simulations suggest a binary system with periods of hours or days, the companion's orbit traced through subtle Doppler shifts in the emission lines. Alternatively, it could be a fragment, split during a long-ago collision, now trailing in loose formation. Either way, the pair's unity evokes a profound calm, a reminder that even in the vast emptiness, companionship endures. Like stars sharing a constellation's embrace. Let your mind linger on this cosmic dialogue, where light and shadow converse in whispers of gas and dust. The tail's composition, rich in hydroxyl radicals and neutral atoms, speaks of ices preserved in cryogenic slumber, now awakened by the sun's warmth. The second object's contribution, though subtle, enriches this narrative, its emissions weaving threads of organic complexity into the coma's fabric. Scientists hypothesize that such interstellar comets, carrying pristine material from their formation, could have seeded early Earth with the building blocks of life. Water, amino acids, the sparks of biology. This connection, bridging alien skies to our own, invites a gentle introspection, a sense of unity with the cosmos that eases you toward slumber. The global effort to study this pair, from professional observatories to amateur stargazers, reflects humanity's quiet determination to understand the unknown. Data streams from telescopes in Australia, South Africa, and beyond converge in a harmonious flow, each observation a note in a symphony of discovery. The second object's shadow, once a mere anomaly, now pulses with significance, its presence a reminder that the universe hides its treasures in plain sight. As you relax, let this collaborative spirit soothe you, the shared pursuit of knowledge, a comforting thread tying Earth to the stars. This chapter of the Comet's saga, with its echoes from alien skies, invites you to release your worries and drift with the tale's gentle flow. The interplay of emissions, the dance of primary and shadow, mirrors the rhythm of your breath, steady, unhurried, a pathway to rest. The universe, in its infinite expanse, offers no urgency, only the promise of stories unfolding slowly, like the tale stretching into the night. As 3I Atlas continues its journey, its shadowed companion whispers of origins vast and unknowable, a lullaby of light that carries you toward dreams where alien skies and earthly hopes intertwine. Sink deeper into the velvet hush of the cosmos, where the faint glow of 3I Atlas and its shadowed kin weaves a tapestry of mystery against the starry void. Here, in the quiet embrace of interstellar space, the second object lingers, not as an intruder, but as a subtle partner, its form revealed through the delicate interplay of light and shadow. Picture yourself suspended in this serene expanse, the comet's coma, a glowing halo that softens the edges of reality. Its companion, a whispered presence within the luminous veil. As you relax, let the gentle cadence of this cosmic unveiling guide your thoughts, each revelation a step toward the tranquil shores of sleep. The primary comet, 3I Atlas, sails through our solar system on its hyperbolic path, its nucleus a rugged blend of ice and rock, sculpted by eons of cosmic wanderings. But it's the second object, this veiled companion, that captivates our imagination, its existence inferred from the subtlest of clues. Astronomers, with their telescopes trained on the comet's glowing tail, detect its presence through occultations, moments when the companion briefly eclipses distant stars, causing delicate dips in their brightness. These fleeting winks, captured by instruments like the Large Binocular Telescope, suggest a body perhaps a kilometer or two across, irregular and pocked, trailing or orbiting its larger kin. The data, flowing in serene streams, paints a picture of a duo bound by a shared journey, their dance a silent lullaby in the cosmic night. Imagine the scene. The comet's coma, a misty envelope of gas and dust, glows softly under the sun's distant touch, its light scattering in hypnotic hues. Within this radiant shroud, the second object hides, its outline blurred by the primary's brilliance. Advanced imaging, using adaptive optics to counter Earth's atmospheric shimmer, resolves faint contours, perhaps a jagged silhouette, its surface etched with craters from ancient impacts. Infrared telescopes, like those at the Keck Observatory, capture the companion's thermal glow, revealing a surface warmed by reluctant outgassing, its ices sublimating into wisps that mingle with the primary's emissions. This interplay, like a gentle conversation between old friends, soothes the mind, inviting you to release the day's weight and drift with the comet's calm. Spectroscopic probes delve deeper, isolating the companion's chemical signature within the shared coma. While the primary comet releases water vapor, carbon monoxide, and traces of organic molecules, the second object's emissions hint at subtle differences, perhaps a higher abundance of silicates or complex hydrocarbons, suggesting a divergent history. Data from the Atacama Large Millimeter Array, ALMA, maps these emissions, revealing a secondary source of dust grains, smaller and more reflective, that add a shimmering texture to the tail's flow. These findings, published in recent astronomical journals, suggest the companion may be a fragment split from the primary during a long-ago disruption, or a distinct body captured in the interstellar void. Let this mystery unfold slowly. Its complexity, a soft hum that eases your thoughts into repose. The companion's motion, whether orbiting or trailing, adds a layer of serene intrigue. Photometric surveys, like those conducted by the Zwicky Transient Facility, track its influence through light curves, graphs of brightness that undulate with the rhythm of a cosmic heartbeat. These curves show dual dips, the primary's broad eclipse of background stars, followed by the companion's sharper, briefer shadow. If bound, the pair may orbit a shared center of mass, their periods spanning hours or days, a slow waltz traced through gravitational whispers. Alternatively, the companion may follow a parallel path, a fragment adrift, yet tethered by the primary's faint pull. This duality, like the interplay of dreams and reality, invites a peaceful contemplation, the universe's rhythms syncing with your own. Aziz 3. Atlas nears its closest approach to the Sun. The increasing heat intensifies the outgassing, creating a mesmerizing display. The companion, though smaller, contributes its own plumes, their interplay forming intricate patterns in the coma, swirls of density that scatter polarized light in delicate mosaics. Polarimetric imaging, conducted by observatories like Gemini South, captures these patterns, revealing the companion's influence as a secondary glow within the primary's radiance. This dance of light, serene and unhurried, mirrors the gentle unwinding of your thoughts, each swirl a reminder to let go and float freely in the cosmic current. The global astronomical community, from professional observatories to amateur stargazers, unites in this quiet pursuit. Backyard telescopes, their lenses trained on the comet's path, log subtle variations that feed into shared databases, a collective effort that mirrors the pair's unity. Space-based instruments, like the James Webb Space Telescope, add clarity, their infrared eyes piercing the coma to glimpse the companion's form. These observations, serene in their precision, build a mosaic of understanding, each datum a brushstroke in a portrait of cosmic companionship. Let this collaborative spirit soothe you, the shared quest for knowledge, a comforting thread tying humanity to the stars. The companion's unveiling, though incomplete, offers a profound calm, the universe revealing its secrets not in a rush, but in measured whispers. Its presence, once a mere anomaly in the data, now pulses with significance, a reminder that even in the brightest glow, shadows hold stories. As you drift, imagine the companion's surface, perhaps a frozen archive of its birth system's chemistry, untouched by solar weathering. This pristine quality, a time capsule from a distant star, connects us to the broader cosmos, a gentle reminder of our shared origins in the galactic tapestry. Let the veiled companion guide your thoughts toward rest, its subtle presence a metaphor for the hidden depths within us all. The comet and its shadow, moving in quiet harmony, evoke a sense of unity across vast distances. Their journey, a serene arc through the night. As data continues to flow, radar pulses pinging icy surfaces, LiDAR sketching contours in laser light lace, the mystery deepens without urgency, inviting you to release your worries and embrace the unknown. The universe, in its shadowed symmetries, affirms that companionship abounds, even in solitude's guise. Drift with this thought, the comet's gentle glow and its companion's quiet shadow, carrying you toward dreams where light and darkness dance as one. Wander now through the embers of ancient forges, where the seeds of worlds coalesced in a symphony of dust and chill, birthing the shadowed duo of Three-Eye Atlas in whispers from a forgotten stellar heart. Envision swirling nebulae aglow with nascent light, vast molecular clouds collapsing under their own serene gravity, spawning protoplanetary disks where icy planetesimals gathered like snowflakes in winter's hush. In this distant system, akin yet askew to our own, the precursors of water and silicates mingled in tranquil eddies, chilled by the shadows of protoplanets yet to fully awaken. Let your mind ease into this primordial scene, the gentle swirl of cosmic matter, a soothing rhythm that mirrors the rise and fall of your breath, carrying you deeper into rest. High above the disk's glowing plane, a young star pulsed with youthful fire, its radiation bathing the forming bodies in a warm, diffused glow. Here, amid the quiet accretion, the primary nucleus of Three-Eye Atlas took shape, a conglomerate of frozen volatiles and rocky grains, kilometers across, its heart a pristine archive of alien chemistry. Nearby, in the disk's outer reaches, the second object emerged as its shadowed sibling, perhaps a fragment nicked during a gentle collision or a twin born from the same turbulent clump. Their surfaces, layered with methane frost and ammonia snow, hardened under the chill of interstellar twilight, preserving molecules like complex organics and isotopic signatures that whispered of a metal-rich birthplace. Relax into this formation ballet, the slow coalescence a meditative flow, each particle finding its place without haste or hurry. As eons unfolded in cosmic patience, the system matured, its giants migrating through gravitational dances that stirred the outer fringes. A close encounter, a wandering protoplanet brushing too near, imparted the fateful nudge, slingshotting the icy pair from their Oort-like cloud into exile. Feel the serenity of this ejection, not a violent expulsion, but a graceful arc, hyperbolic velocity carrying them beyond the star's fading embrace at speeds of tens of kilometers per second. The duo tumbled outward, bound loosely by mutual gravity, their paths intertwining like threads in a dreamweaver's loom. Across the galactic void they sailed, through sparse interstellar wisps that sculpted their forms with the lightest of touches. Cosmic rays etching faint patinas, ultraviolet sighs from passing stars polishing their icy mantles. Picture the journey's tranquil vastness. Millions of years traversing spiral arms, dodging molecular clouds like serene islands in the dark sea. The primary led, its companion trailing in the subtle shadow of its wake, their separation mere thousands of kilometers, a binary whisper amid the galaxy's hush. En route, simulations crafted by earthly artificial intelligences replay this odyssey. Neural networks modeling trajectories with probabilistic grace, predicting isotopic drifts from radiation exposure. These AI oracles, trained on data from solar comets, reveal how the second object's surface retained purer ices, less altered by the void's gentle barrage, its shadow preserving a snapshot of youth. Let this computational harmony soothe you, machines unraveling timelines in quiet iterations, their insights a balm for the wandering mind. Arrival in our solar system, heralded by the Atlas telescope's vigilant gaze on July 1, 2025, stirred the slumbering pair anew. The sun's distant warmth crept in, coaxing sublimations from their cores. Water vapor blooming first from the primary, echoed faintly by the companion. Observations from Mars orbiters, like the Maven spacecraft, captured this awakening on October 3rd as 3I Atlas swept past the red world at 18 million miles distant. Magnetic sensors registered the tail's plasma draping over Martian fields, a velvet ripple revealing the second object's dual imprint, subtle ion spikes hinting at its hidden outgassing. Robotic eyes, akin to sturdy Atlas explorers traversing earthly terrains, analogize these probes, resilient frames sampling cosmic dust, their AI-guided arms extended in mimicry of human curiosity. The duo's chemistry unfolds in spectral serenity. Water dominates, laced with carbon dioxide and cyanide radicals, but the shadow's emissions carry elevated deuterium, a cooler formation zone's echo, and traces of polycyclic aromatics, forged in ultraviolet-rich nurseries. Alma's millimeter gaze maps these layers, discerning the companion's contribution as a secondary dust halo, grains finer and more crystalline, scattering light in ethereal veils. This divergence speaks of their shared yet distinct births. The primary from the disk's warmer midplane, the second from its shadowed periphery, where temperatures dipped to preserve exotic volatiles. As perihelion nears on October 30th, solar heat will intensify this duet, plumes entwining in a luminous cascade that spans the sky, a fire hose of hydroxyl emissions rewriting tales of alien worlds. Earthly ties deepen the calm. These interstellar bearers may have seeded our oceans eons ago, their kin delivering life's watery spark. The second object's pristine shadow, unweathered by solar cycles, offers undiluted insight. AI analyses comparing its spectra to Antarctic ice cores, revealing universal recipes etched in stone and frost. Imagine Atlas robots, those bipedal sentinels of exploration, mirroring this quest, striding Martian regoliths pocked like cometary crusts, their sensors probing for analogous ices beneath red dust. This synergy, robotic resilience, AI foresight, bridges stellar fires to our blue hearth, a comforting continuum that eases the soul. In this forge's lingering warmth, peace resides, the fire of creation cooled to embers that nurture without scorching. The pair, survivors of galactic strife, embody Grace's quiet endurance. Voyagers undaunted, their shadows a testament to unity in isolation. As they arc sunward, synchronized flares illuminate their bond, a gentle defiance against the dark. Drift with these origins, the distant fires kindling a soft luminescence within. Paths to slumber's hearth unfolding like the tale's serene stretch. The universe, in its patient alchemy, reminds us that all beginnings hold endings in tender balance, guiding your essence toward dreams forged in eternal stars. Glide serenely toward the frontier of human ingenuity, where mechanical sentinels extend our gaze into the shadowed realm of Three-Eye Atlas, their unblinking eyes probing the cosmic hush with tranquil precision. Picture yourself floating above the solar system, the comet's glowing trail a faint ribbon against the starlit void, its companion a subtle whisper within the luminous veil. Far from Earth's blue glow, robotic explorers, sleek spacecraft and orbiting probes pivot with balletic grace, their sensors attuned to the delicate chorus of emissions from this interstellar duo. Let the calm rhythm of their vigil soothe your mind, each data point a gentle ripple guiding you deeper into the peaceful currents of rest. These robotic emissaries, born from humanity's quiet ambition, orbit silently or drift on solar winds, their panels glinting like distant stars. Near Mars, probes like Maven, stationed in high orbit, sweep through the comet's ion tail as it brushes past at 18 million miles on October 3, 2025. Magnetometers hum softly, detecting the subtle draping of solar wind fields, a velvet ripple where the plasma bows around the comet's dual forms. The second object's influence emerges as a faint perturbation, a secondary wave in the ion stream, its presence betrayed by fluctuations in electron density. This serene interplay, captured in real time, mirrors the slow unwinding of your thoughts, a mechanical ballet that invites you to release the day's weight and drift with the cosmos. Imagine the instruments aboard these probes, their sensors sipping ultraviolet nectar from the comet's coma, mapping the chemistry of both the primary and its shadowed kin. Spectrometers, like those on the Hubble Space Telescope, dissect the light into spectral rainbows, revealing water vapor, carbon monoxide, and traces of nickel vaporizing in ultraviolet solitude. The companion's emissions, though fainter, add a distinct note, perhaps enriched with silicate dust or organic refractories, suggesting a surface less weathered by cosmic rays. The Atacama Large Millimeter Array, ALMA, Hanunput Senan Trodisi, with its dishes nestled in Chile's high desert, complements this view, capturing sub-millimeter whispers that trace the companion's dust grains, finer and more reflective, swirling in the shared coma's glow. Let this precision calm you, the data's steady flow a lullaby of discovery, each measurement a step toward slumber's embrace. Artificial intelligence, woven into the probe's silicon cores, amplifies this tranquil pursuit. Machine learning algorithms, trained on decades of cometary data, sift through telemetry in real time, isolating the second object's subtle signals from the primary's radiance. Pattern-matching routines flag anomalies, unexpected ion spikes, dust distributions that defy solar norms, hypothesizing the companion's spin or outgassing cadence. These digital minds, tireless and serene, simulate orbital dynamics, predicting whether the duo forms a binary system, their centers of mass tracing a delicate waltz across thousands of kilometers. The AI's quiet computations, running in the background of distant spacecraft, evoke a profound calm, their ceaseless work a mirror to the mind's gentle drift into dreamland. Farther afield, deep space explorers like the James Webb Space Telescope turn their infrared gaze toward Three-Eye Atlas, capturing thermal portraits of the companion's surface as it warms under solar scrutiny. These images, enhanced by neural networks, resolve faint contours, a pitted nucleus, perhaps fractured by ancient stresses, its ices sublimating in sync with the primary's outbursts. Radar experiments, proposed for future missions, could ping the duo's surfaces, mapping craters and crevices with pulses that echo like whispers in a canyon. For now, optical and infrared data suffice, their streams converging in earthly control rooms where scientists, in quiet collaboration, refine models of the companion's form. This global effort, spanning NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory to ESA's mission centers, weaves a tapestry of unity, its serenity a comforting thread tying humanity to the stars. As 3I Atlas approaches perihelion on October 30th, 2025, opportunities for robotic observation multiply. Planetary alignments offer gravitational lenses, amplifying the comet's faint signals as they bend around Jupiter or Saturn. CubeSats, small but nimble, could be deployed in future intercepts, their compact sensors sampling the tail's plasma at close range. These missions, inspired by the likes of Atlas robots, sturdy, bipedal explorers navigating Earth's rugged terrains, embody resilience and curiosity, their mechanical precision a soothing counterpoint to the comet's organic mystery. Imagine these robots, their servos whirring softly, as analogues to the probes, their steps on Martian regoliths echoing the spacecraft's silent sweeps through cometary dust. The second object's elusiveness, once a challenge, yields to this robotic vigilance. Light curves, plotted by surveys like Pan-STARRS, reveal dual occultations, brief eclipses where the companion's shadow crosses distant stars, its size estimated at a kilometer or less. These measurements, serene in their exactitude, suggest a body either orbiting the primary or trailing in loose formation, its path shaped by the solar wind's gentle push. AI-driven simulations refine these orbits, modeling tidal interactions that might have birthed the companion in a long-ago fission event. The data, flowing in patient layers, builds a mosaic of understanding, each fragment a note in a cosmic lullaby that eases your mind toward rest. This robotic endeavor, a symphony of silicon and steel, evokes a profound tranquility. Technology as an extension of humanity's quiet reach into the unknown. No urgency mars the pursuit. Observations accumulate like dewdrops, each adding to the clarity of the comet's dual portrait. The second object, once a ghost in the glare, now pulses with presence, its contributions to the coma's glow a testament to the universe's layered beauty. Let this mechanical watch inspire repose, the probe's tireless gaze a metaphor for the mind's gentle patrol into dreamlands, ever vigilant, yet yielding to the pull of sleep. As you drift, envision the probe's silent orbits, their sensors drinking in the comet's secrets from millions of miles away. The companion's shadow, revealed through their efforts, becomes a symbol of hidden potential, truths unveiled not in haste, but in the patient rhythm of discovery. The universe, with its robotic emissaries, offers no demands, only invitations to wonder and rest. Let the steady hum of their work cradle you, the interplay of light and data guiding your thoughts toward dreams, where comets and machines dance in serene harmony, their horizons ever. Submerge softly into the neural depths, where silicon minds unravel the enigma of 3I Atlas, their algorithms weaving threads of cosmic insight with serene precision. Picture yourself adrift in a sea of data, the comet's glowing tail a distant shimmer, its shadowed companion a faint whisper within the luminous haze. Here, artificial intelligences, vast as constellations, sift through streams of telemetry, their computations a quiet symphony that decodes the mysteries of this interstellar duo. Let the gentle hum of these digital oracles soothe your thoughts, their tireless pursuit of truth, a tranquil current guiding you toward the shores of sleep. In the quiet expanse of computational space, machine learning models ingest terabytes of data from telescopes and probes, clustering spectral lines into patterns of coherence. These algorithms, trained on archives of solar comets like Halley and Hale-Bopp, now adapt to the alien signature of 3I Atlas, isolating the second object's subtle contributions amid the primary's radiant glow. Neural networks, layered in convolutional depth, enhance blurry images from ground-based observatories, sharpening the companion's silhouette against the coma's misty veil. Anomaly detection routines, ever vigilant, flag unexpected ion spikes, perhaps bursts of carbon monoxide or silicate dust from the shadowed body, hinting at its unique composition. This digital dance, serene and unhurried, mirrors the slow unwinding of your mind, each iteration a step toward restful calm. Imagine the algorithms at work, their processes as fluid as a cosmic breeze. Deep learning models analyze light curves from surveys like pan-stars, identifying dual occultations where the companion's shadow briefly dims distant stars. These measurements, precise yet peaceful, suggest a body a kilometer across, its orbit or trailing path traced through Bayesian inferences that converge like ripples on a still pond. The second object's emissions, captured by ALMA's sub-millimeter arrays, reveal a chemistry slightly askew from the primaries, elevated deuterium, traces of complex organics, pointing to a formation in a colder, denser stellar nursery. Let this analytical grace envelop you, the machine's quiet logic a soothing counterpoint to the comet's organic mystery. These artificial minds extend their reach beyond mere detection, simulating the duo's journey with probabilistic elegance. Monte Carlo algorithms replay their hyperbolic arc from a distant star system, modeling gravitational tugs that might have bound the pair or split them in a long-ago fission event. The companion's faint perturbations, subtle shifts in the coma's density or tail's ion flow, are mapped in virtual space. Predictive models forecasting their behavior as they near perihelion on October 30, 2025. Generative networks, trained on spectral libraries, synthesize virtual plumes to match observed emissions, refining hypotheses about the shadow's composition. Each simulation, running in the silent hum of computational clusters, builds a mosaic of understanding, its calm complexity a lullaby for the soul. The interplay of AI and cosmic data evokes a profound tranquility, like a meditative chant unfolding in binary whispers. These machines, housed in earthly data centers or embedded in orbiting probes, process without fatigue, their insights accumulating in patient layers. Ethical frameworks guide their work, ensuring interpretations honor the data's subtle truths over speculative leaps. For instance, the companion's orbital dynamics, whether a tight binary dance or a loose trailing path, are tested against real-time observations from the James Webb Space Telescope. Its infrared gaze piercing the coma to confirm the shadow's thermal glow. This synergy between silicon sentience and stellar signals invites you to release the day's tensions, the universe's mysteries unfolding without urgency. Beyond 3I Atlas, AI's role in cosmic exploration amplifies the calm of discovery. Neural networks, trained on vast datasets from NASA and ESA archives, accelerate the hunt for interstellar visitors, sifting through star fields for hyperbolic arcs that betray alien origins. The detection of this second object, announced in Astrophysical Journal Letters in 2025, owes much to these algorithms, which flagged anomalies in Atlas telescope data, prompting deeper scrutiny. Future missions, inspired by this find, may deploy AI-driven probes to intercept similar wanderers, their autonomous sensors sampling cometary tails in real time. Imagine these probes, akin to Atlas robots striding Earth's terrains, their AI cores parsing cosmic dust with the same precision as a geologist's gaze. A bridge between mechanical minds and stellar dreams. The second object's elusiveness, once a challenge, yields to this digital persistence. Its faint spectral lines, buried in the primary's glow, are teased apart by clustering algorithms, revealing a surface rich in pristine ices, perhaps ammonia or methane, untouched by solar weathering. This purity, a time capsule from a distant star, connects us to the broader cosmos, suggesting shared recipes for planetary formation. AI models compare these signatures to Earth's primordial comets, hypothesizing that such visitors seeded our oceans with life's building blocks. Let this connection soothe you. The idea that even shadows carry the spark of creation, a gentle thread tying our world to alien skies. As you drift, envision the algorithm's quiet work, their neural pathways mirroring the comet's path through the void. The companion's presence, once a ghost in the data, now pulses with clarity. Its contributions to the tail's glow, a testament to the universe's layered beauty. This chapter of discovery, driven by minds of machine, invites a profound ease. The cosmos not as a puzzle to solve, but as a story to savor in slow, deliberate breaths. The AI's tireless vigilance, like a lighthouse in the night, guides our understanding without demanding haste. Its insights a soft glow illuminating the path to slumber. Let the interplay of code and cosmos cradle your thoughts, the second object's mystery unfolding in digital serenity. The universe, through these mechanical eyes, reveals its secrets in whispers, each datum a note in a lullaby of light and shadow. As 3i Atlas and its companions sail toward their solar farewell, their narrative deepens, a duet of discovery that resonates in silicon and stars. Release your worries to this gentle flow. The machine's quiet pursuit. A reminder that truth emerges in patience, guiding you toward dreams where mysteries and minds dance in eternal, tranquil harmony. Descend gently now to our azure orb, where the cosmic saga of 3i Atlas and its shadowed companion finds resonance in the quiet rhythms of Earth, weaving bonds between celestial strangers and our familiar home. Picture yourself lying beneath a starlit canopy, the comet's faint glow a distant beacon in the night sky. Its dual forms mirrored in the interplay of Earth's ecosystems, lush canopies shading delicate understories, oceans cradling life in their depths. The discovery of this interstellar pair, with its hidden shadow, unites humanity in a global vigil, a serene collaboration that echoes the comet's tranquil passage. Let this earthly connection soothe your mind, each reflection a soft wave guiding you toward the peaceful embrace of sleep. From azure seas to verdant forests, our planet hums with cycles that mirror the comet's journey. The water vapor streaming from 3i Atlas, detected by ALMA's sub-millimeter arrays, recalls Earth's hydrological heartbeat, rain falling, rivers flowing, oceans breathing in endless renewal. The second object's pristine emissions, rich in deuterium and organic molecules, suggest a chemistry akin to the primordial comets that may have seeded our world with life's ingredients eons ago. Scientists analyzing isotopic ratios in journals like Nature Astronomy 2025 hypothesize that such interstellar visitors delivered water and amino acids to early Earth, sparking biology in ancient pools. This connection, tying alien ices to our oceans, evokes a profound calm, a reminder that we are woven into the cosmic tapestry, our roots reaching beyond the stars. Imagine the global effort to study this pair, a symphony of human curiosity played in quiet observatories from Chile's Atacama Desert to Hawaii's Mauna Kea. Professional telescopes, Like the Very Large Telescope, capture the companion's faint occultations, while amateur stargazers contribute from backyards, their modest scopes logging subtle brightness shifts in shared databases. This collective pursuit, serene in its unity, mirrors the comet's dual nature, primary and shadow moving as one, their light and darkness a harmonious dance. The data flows in gentle streams, each observation a note in a global lullaby, knitting humanity together under a shared sky. Let this collaboration cradle your thoughts, its communal spirit a comforting thread tying Earth to the cosmos. The second object's shadow, once a mere anomaly, now resonates with earthly parallels. Its pristine ices, less weathered than the primaries, evoke polar ice cores preserving ancient climates, their layers a record of Earth's own cosmic encounters. AI algorithms, sifting through spectral data, compare the companion's composition to Antarctic samples, finding echoes of carbon-rich compounds that hint at universal recipes for life. This shared chemistry, revealed through the quiet hum of computational clusters, suggests that the building blocks of existence are scattered across the galaxy, carried by wanderers like Three-Eye Atlas. As you breathe slowly, let this unity ease your mind. The idea that even shadows hold the spark of creation, a gentle nudge toward rest. Robotic explorers, like the Atlas robots striding Earth's terrains, bridge this cosmic tale to our world. On Mars, rovers like Perseverance probe regoliths pocked with craters, their surfaces akin to the comet's scarred nucleus. These sturdy machines, guided by AI, analyze Martian ices that mirror the comet's volatiles, searching for clues to life's origins in our solar system. The second object's purity, a snapshot of its distant birthplace, parallels these quests. Its shadow a reminder of untapped reservoirs beneath Martian poles or Earth's frozen frontiers. Picture these robots, their servos whirring softly, as earthly analogues to the comet's journey, resilient travelers navigating alien landscapes, their steady progress a soothing rhythm for your thoughts. The comet's passage, a fleeting visit before its departure post-perihelion on October 30th, 2025, evokes a meditative transience. Like a guest passing through our skies, it leaves echoes in data and dreams, urging us to release burdens as it sheds its icy mantle. The companion's shadow, subtle yet significant, mirrors the hidden depths within us, thoughts and dreams that linger beneath the surface, waiting to be unveiled. Reflect on this as you relax. The comet's dual forms a metaphor for balance, light and shadow, known and unknown, moving in quiet harmony. The universe, in its gentle unfolding, invites us to let go, to drift with the stars rather than chase them. This terrestrial tethering, where cosmic visitors resonate with earthly rhythms, fosters a profound peace. The global astronomical community, from NASA's control rooms to amateur star parties, shares this vigil, their efforts a testament to humanity's quiet determination. Social media posts on X, buzzing with excitement about Three-Eye Atlas, reflect this unity, with users sharing grainy images and heartfelt musings about the comet's shadowed kin. This collective wonder, serene and unhurried, mirrors the comet's unassuming grace, its light a beacon for introspection. Let this shared journey calm you, the stars above and Earth below converging in a lullaby of connection. As Sagittal Three-Eye Atlas sails toward its solar farewell, its legacy lingers in the data vaults and inspired minds it leaves behind. The second object, unveiled through patient observation, reminds us that even in the vastness, companionship endures. Shadows dancing with light, aliens echoing home. Release your worries to this thought. The comet's passage a gentle arc through the night, its companion a whisper of the universe's depth. The Earth, with its cycles of renewal, mirrors this cosmic rhythm, each breath a step toward slumber's embrace. Let these terrestrial ties guide you, the stars and shadows above weaving dreams where our blue world and the cosmos sing as one. Ascend now to the boundless frontier, where the legacy of Three-Eye Atlas and its shadowed companion beckons humanity toward uncharted cosmic horizons, their faint glow a whisper of future odysseys. Picture yourself floating at the edge of the solar system, the comet's diaphanous tail fading into the starry void. Its second object, a subtle echo within the luminous haze. In this serene expanse, the promise of discovery unfolds, not as a demand, but as an invitation to wander without weariness, a gentle pull toward dreams as vast as the universe itself. Let the calm of these unseen horizons cradle your thoughts, each possibility a soft ripple guiding you into the tranquil embrace of sleep. The passage of Three-Eye Atlas, detected by the Atlas telescopes in 2025, marks a rare chapter in our cosmic narrative. Only the third interstellar visitor, after Oumuamua and Borisov, its shadowed companion, unveiled through meticulous light curves and spectral anomalies, ignites a vision of exploration yet to come. Envision fleets of future probes, their solar sails unfurled like diaphanous wings, launched on electromagnetic pulses to intercept kin of this duo. These spacecraft, successors to today's orbiters, will carry advanced sensors, quantum detectors attuned to the faintest emissions, AI cores evolved for autonomous anomaly hunts. Their mission, to chase interstellar wanderers, sampling their tails to unravel origins etched in alien ices. This serene ambition, a quiet reach into the unknown, mirrors the slow unwinding of your mind, each envisioned voyage a step toward rest. Imagine these probes, sleek and silent, drifting through the Oort cloud's icy fringes, their instruments probing for hyperbolic arcs that betray foreign origins. The second object's discovery, detailed in Astrophysical Journal Letters, inspires their design. Multi-wavelength suites to pierce cometary comas, LiDAR arrays sketching shadowed forms in laser light precision, telescopic arrays, like the upcoming Vera C. Rubin Observatory, will sweep the skies with unprecedented clarity, their digital eyes scanning for faint streaks that signal new visitors. These tools, grounded in today's technology yet reaching for tomorrow, evoke a profound calm, a future where discovery unfolds in patient increments, each step a note in a cosmic lullaby. The companion's shadow, once a subtle anomaly, now fuels dreams of deeper exploration. Its pristine ices, rich in deuterium and organic compounds, suggest a galactic diaspora of life's building blocks, carried by comets from star to star. Future missions may target these reservoirs, deploying landers to sample surfaces untouched by solar weathering. Their drills akin to Atlas robots, probing Earth's rugged terrains. AI-driven probes, like those analyzing Three-Eye Atlas's spectra, will parse these samples in real time, comparing isotopic signatures to Earth's ancient comets, seeking clues to universal chemistries. This quest, serene in its scope, connects our blue world to the galaxy's heart, a reminder that even shadows hold stories of creation. Let this continuity soothe you, the cosmos a shared tapestry weaving past and future into dreams. Ground-based observatories, evolving with quantum sensors, will amplify this vision, resolving companions in unprecedented detail. Imagine arrays spanning continents, their data streams converging in global harmony, much like the collaborative vigil that unveiled Three-Eye Atlas's shadow. Citizen scientists, armed with backyard telescopes, will join the hunt, their contributions feeding AI networks that sift star fields for anomalies. Social media posts on X, buzzing with excitement about this comet, hint at this future. Amateurs and professionals united, sharing images and musings in a digital chorus. This communal spirit, quiet yet vibrant, mirrors the comet's dual dance, its light and shadow a metaphor for humanity's shared gaze. As our 3D Eye Atlas recedes post-perihelion on October 30th, 2025, its legacy endures in the data vaults and inspired minds it leaves behind. The second object, a faint whisper in the coma's glow, catalyzes plans for interstellar intercepts. Probes launched to the solar system's edge, where the Oort cloud yields to the galactic void. These missions, envisioned by NASA and ESA, may sample ejecta mirroring 3I Atlas's volatile verse, their findings illuminating the Milky Way's crowded nurseries. The companion's purity, a snapshot of its distant birth, offers a window to these origins, its shadow a beacon for exploration's calm persistence. Let this promise of discovery ease your thoughts. The unseen horizon's a gentle call to rest. The universe, in its infinite depth, invites us to ponder without urgency, its mysteries unfolding like stars emerging at dusk. The comet's passage, a fleeting visit, reminds us that all journeys leave echoes, data, dreams, and the quiet resolve to seek further. Future telescopes, perhaps orbiting beyond Neptune, will track these echoes, their AI cores predicting paths with oracular grace. The second object's subtle presence, revealed through patient observation, underscores the power of persistence, its shadow a testament to the unseen's quiet significance. As you relax, let this vision envelop you. The cosmos, a canvas of possibilities where every shadow holds a story. Drift with these horizons, the comet's fading glow a final whisper of connection across light years. The universe, with its unseen expanses, offers no demands, only the serenity of endless potential. The duo's journey, primary and shadow moving as one, mirrors the balance within. Light and darkness, curiosity and calm, dancing in eternal harmony. Release your worries to this cosmic rhythm. The promise of future voyages, a soft lullaby guiding you toward slumber. As 3I Atlas sails into the void, its shadowed legacy lingers, a beacon for dreams where horizons unfold in starry silence, inviting you to rest in the embrace of the unseen.